Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes NetAir cert Symantec legacy error on Chrome. First method is open Chrome browser, click 3 dots, click Help, click About Google Chrome. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Date and Time, turn on Set Time automatically, set your time zone. Third method is open Chrome browser, click 3 dots, click More Tools, click Extensions. Remove unwanted extensions. Fourth method is open Chrome browser, click 3 dots, click More Tools, click Browsing Data. Select All Time, click Clear Data. Fifth method is open Chrome browser, click 3 dots, click Settings, click Reset and Clean Up, click Restore settings to their original defaults. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.